Fatty acids classification function. Fatty acids can be classified in three ways based on length of the carbon atoms, number of carbon atoms, and nature of fatty acids. Based on length of carbon atoms, fatty acid can be classified as short chain fatty acid with carbon length 2 to 6, mainly found in butter and vinegar. Medium chain fatty acids with carbon length of 8 to 12, seen in coconut oil. Long chain fatty acids with carbon length of 14 to 22, seen in body fat, and very long chain fatty acids with carbon length more than 22, seen mainly in brain. Based on number of carbon atoms, the fatty acid can be classified as odd chain fatty acids, mainly seen in milk and cell wall of microorganisms, and all the naturally occurring fatty acids are even chain fatty acids. Based on nature of fatty acids, the fatty acids can be classified as branch chain fatty acids, hydroxy fatty acids, saturated fatty acids with no double bond. The example being palmitic acid 16 carbon length and stearic acid 18 carbon length. Next one is the unsaturated fatty acids which contain the double bond. Now the unsaturated fatty acid can be classified as cis and trans fatty acids. Cis fatty acids are those fatty acids where the hydrogen atoms are placed on same side of the double bond, and these are found naturally, whereas trans fatty acids, here the hydrogen atoms are placed on opposite side of the double bond, and these trans fatty acids are formed during metabolic reactions in our body and during hydrogenation reactions. Now, these trans fatty acids are present in cooking oil, dairy products, bakery products, fast food and processed food, mainly to increase their shelf life. Now, these are harmful to our body as they promote systemic inflammation, insulin resistance, subsequent development of type 2 diabetes mellitus, and also adiposity. Coming to functions of polyunsaturated fatty acids, they are used for esterification of cholesterol followed by its excretion. Hence, these POOF are considered as anti-atherogenic biomolecules. Arachidonic acid is a precursor of prostaglandins, thromboxane, and leukotrienes, which mediate inflammation inside our body. Now, all the essential fatty acids are polyunsaturated fatty acids. The examples being linoleic, linolenic, and arachidonic acid. Now, these POOF are a component of biomembrane and they contribute to the fluidity of the membrane. The importance of POOF is that deficiency of POOF results in hyperkeratosis, acrodermatitis, and hypercholesterolemia, and also their deficiency results in loss of integrity of the biomembrane. Now, these PUFA can also be classified as omega fatty acids, and there are three families: omega 3, omega 6, and omega 9. Omega 3 family include linolenic acid and timnodonic acid, which is mainly seen in fish oil. Omega 6 family is linoleic acid and arachidonic acid, mainly seen in vegetable oils. And omega 9 family example is oleic acid. Now, the optimal ratio for consumption of omega 6 to omega 3 is 4 is to 1. One good thing is our normal Indian diet, which consists of cereals, pulses, and vegetables, provides these invisible oils, and the contribution of POFA in our natural balanced Indian diet is around 10 gram per day, out of which 8 gram is omega 6 and 2 gram is omega 3. This was about fatty acid classification and function.